Hi, welcome back to my kitchen. It's Dami. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make jollof rice and chicken in the oven using just one pot. So let's get into it. So I have some bone-in skin on chicken and I'm going to be seasoning this with some smoked paprika, onion powder, black pepper, salt, and some chicken seasoning. I'm going to mix this together, cover it with a cling film and put it in the fridge to chill. So I let this chill overnight, but you can do it for about 1 hour or so. So the next day I'm starting with my jollof rice. I put some oil in the pan, just a little bit of oil because I still have some fat on the chicken. And then I'm going to start placing in my chicken thighs, skin side down. I'm just trying to sear the chicken now. I'm not trying to cook it through. We just want to get some color on the chicken. So while I'm searing my chicken, I'm going to prepare the tomato mix that I'm going to use as the sauce for my jollof rice. I'm going to put an approximate measurement of all the ingredients I used in the description box below. Be sure to check it out. So I'm just using some tomatoes, some red bell peppers, some red chili peppers, habanero peppers, some ginger and onions. So I'm just cutting this into big chunks so it's going to be easy for my blender to blend this up. And to impart some flavor into this, I use some chicken stock to blend my peppers. So it's been about 4-5 minutes. I'm going to flip my chicken to the other side. And then I'm going to sear the other side too. Remember, we are not trying to cook the chicken through. We just want to get some color on the chicken. We are going to finish it up in the oven. And then I'm using an oven safe cookware because this is the pot I'm going to put in the oven. Okay, so my chicken is ready. I have some chopped onions here, so I'm just going to saute this. I'll add a little bit of minced garlic and then I'm going to saute this. So you can see that the oil and the onions kind of look dark because this is the same pan that I seared my chicken, but this is what is going to give my jollof rice a really good flavor because I have some burnt bits from the chicken. So now I'm going to add my tomato paste. And then I mix it up with the onions and garlic. I'm rinsing out the can of my tomato paste so that nothing goes to waste. Give this a good mix. And then I cover it to cook for about 5 minutes. Now it's time to add my blended tomato mix. So I'm not using everything because I'm not cooking a lot of rice, so I'm just using half of the mixture. At this point you want to make sure you're preheating your oven so that when the sauce is ready the oven would be hot enough. You don't want to have your rice sit down in a cold oven so that it does not get soggy. And then once this is mixed, I'm going to cover it and cook it down so it doesn't splash all over my kitchen. So I'm just going to cook it until most of the water has reduced and I have the oil floating at the top. Alright, so my pepper is ready. It's time to add my washed rice. Now I'm going to mix this together. and I'm adding some chicken stock. So you want the rice and the liquid to be on about the same level. You taste this for seasoning and adjust the seasoning according to your preference. And then I'm putting the chicken back. So now I'm making it the skin side up. So I'm just going to nestle the chicken back in the rice. I'll cover it with aluminum foil. And put it in the oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 45 minutes. So now my rice is ready. Can see the smoke. Just enjoy this shot for a little bit. Ooh, I wish you could smell it right now. So I'm just checking the bottom to see that the liquid has dried at the bottom. It's okay if you still see some sauce at the top. And then I'm going to bring out the chicken, so it's going to be easier for me to mix the rice. Alright, so I'm going to mix up the rice to make sure that the sauce is evenly distributed. And this is how it looks. Oh yeah, open your mouth. Ah. This rice is super simple to do. You just put it in the oven and forget about it for like 45 minutes and come back to it. So I'm just going to cut a little bit out of the chicken to show you that the chicken is cooked through. You can see that it's white throughout, there is no pink, so the chicken is cooked through. Alright, and there you have it. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful. Also subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed already, and leave a comment on what you think about this recipe and what kind of recipes you would like to see. Don't forget to turn on your post notifications and share this video to those you think might find it helpful. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.